Okay, it's July 21st. It's Monday. I'm doing the 7-day forecast, and this is Weather Outlook, and I'm doing this for central Pennsylvania. Well, we finally got a decent day in here. No rain. Temperatures this afternoon. Now, this is around 6 o'clock when I'm doing this, a little after, and temperatures to the north in the 60s already, and to the south into the 70s. And the further south you get down by Harrisburg, York, and towards Lancaster, temperatures are in the upper 70s, which is still not bad, but it's short lived. You might want to consider maybe popping the window a little bit for some air early on tonight. By tomorrow morning, the lows will be 40s to the north, low 40s in some areas. And along the I-95 corridor, temperatures are basically in the upper 40s. And then as you go further south, temperatures are into the 50s. And again, Harrisburg, York, Lancaster going that way, temperatures are in the upper 50s, but still, open the windows. On Tuesday, we pick up a couple of degrees, temperatures basically mid to upper 80s across the whole viewing area. And again, there's your precipitation in the afternoon, and I don't see anything out there at all. Now on Wednesday, yeah, there could be a shower, and it was basically moving from the southeast to, no, yeah, southeast to the northwest as it moves across. I'll show you as it moves. It just kind of comes out of the south, kind of stays down there, and that's about it. How it affects the temperatures on Wednesday is you can see exactly where the rain has hit or where the showers have hit. It's really 80s, mid 80s out towards the west, out towards Wellsboro, out towards not Wellsboro, but was it Bradford's out that way and Warren out there. And then as you go towards the east, the temperatures in the southern half of the viewing area, which would be basically south of 80, temperatures are in the 70s. And to the north of 80, where that precipitation and clouds really doesn't take full effect, temperatures are in the lower 80s. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the cool weather because on Thursday, things heat back up again. We're now talking mid 80s to upper 80s, in some places near 90 on Thursday. Precipitation on Thursday. We could, let's see if I can get this to work. Right now, I see nothing on there during the day, but as we go into Friday, it will not be the same. This is actually Thursday night or Friday morning around 5. And again, a little bit of a shower to the south, and it'll sweep by, and it doesn't really do much. But then as you get to Saturday, that's a different story, and the weekend kind of has some problems. Your highs on Friday, basically everybody's in the 80s, except if you go up towards, again, Bradford and Alden, your temperatures are in the mid 70s to upper 70s. So Friday's a good day, and the further you go east, they can have some 90s. Now on Saturday, yeah, you can take a look at the map. You can kind of tell where the showers are coming from and where the clouds are at and where they're not. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 80s, maybe even a 90 mixed in. And then as you go to the west and to the north, you can see where the showers are at. And here they are cooling the temperatures down. Again, let's see if we can get this. The map's been really slow working today, computer. But as you can see, the showers are starting to come through. That'll cool the temperatures down even as we go into the evening hours. This will be about 7 o'clock Saturday night. You can see there could be thunderstorms popping up at that point in time. Temperatures take a hit whenever you get the rain, you know that. But you can see by 7 o'clock in the evening, mostly everybody's in the upper 60s, mid 70s. To the east, all the way towards Lancaster and Reading, yeah, you might be hanging on to the 80, but you didn't get the extent of the rain yet. And then on Sunday, it's kind of all over the place, but you get it. Basically, low to mid 80s across much of the viewing area. Some people can get up into the upper 80s, but mostly low to mid 80s across the area. And then your precipitation on Sunday has still some showers, maybe some thunderstorms breaking out as they come through, and they clear out overnight. All right, take it easy.